Welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmeline bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Last December, fought at the All Saints Parish of Innerdale, Johannesburg, in connection with the SSCC centres of Lesotho, Cape Town and Malamulele, the online Congress of the Association of Salesian Cooperators, ASSCC, of the Centres of Southern Africa was held. The Congress, facilitated by Mr. Chester Brown, SSCC Provincial Councillor for Southern Africa, was attended by several members of the Salesian family groups, Salesian Cooperators, SSCC aspirants, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Salesians of Don Bosco, and a young representative of the Salesian Youth Movement of Gauteng. Sister Giovanna Pesenti, daughter of Mary Help of Christians of the province of Our Lady of Peace, delegate for the Salesian family for the Inter-Inspectorial Conference for Africa and Madagascar, CIAM, opened the day by invoking the Holy Spirit as a guide for the work of the Congress. The first meeting of the executive directors of the Don Bosco Tech of Africa, India, ASEAN, the area of the countries of Southeast Asia, America and Spain was held on Saturday 11 December at 11:30 a.m. through the online platform Zoom. The meeting began with prayer led by Father George Matthew, DBT, India. The initiative of the Dicastery for Youth to coordinate all the Don Bosco Tech had already begun in May. To act as a milestone on this journey towards the Don Bosco Tech world, Father Claudio Cartes and Miguel Esquiros Nobel, respectively coordinators of the vocational training centers of Don Bosco Tech America and Don Bosco Tech Spain, were also present, who presented their industrious effort in coordinating the centers. Their sharing enlightened and encouraged participants for close convergence and effective networking. The National Forum of Good Practices for the 2030 Agenda is an event of the Selo Social Institute, Social Seal in Portuguese, promoted by the Salesian Network of Brazil and the Levo Institute, designed to present and share projects carried out by companies, civil society organizations and public agencies of Brazil that are in line with the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, of the United Nations. This year, the forum saw the direct participation of the Director General of the Salesian Network of Brazil, and also both the RSB and the Salesian School of Brasilia have been recognized with the Social Seal for their initiatives. On December 11th, in the Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, the Archbishop of Olinda and Recife, Monsignor Fernando Saborido, OSB, presided over the priestly ordinations of 4 Salesian deacons, Paulo Henrique, Jose Geraldo, Jose Wilker and Raimundo Luan. Nivaldo Pessinati, Superior of the Province of Recife, BRE, was present at the ceremony. The Salesian Agricultural School of Linares celebrated in November a ceremony of voluntary environmental commitment where the school and the National Enterprise Energy Generación Solar Spa will implement the innovative photovoltaic park Las Catitas. The project consists in the installation of a solar photovoltaic system of solar panels in order to promote and spread the application of these new renewable technologies. It will contribute to sustainability-based conservation and energy efficiency in the region and provide energy to several production units of the school, including irrigation of fruit trees. The Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival, the world's first global Salesian film festival, was conducted on the premises of the Salesian headquarters of the province of Chennai by the Don Bosco Institute of Communication Arts and Don Bosco Arts and Science College on December 11, 2021. Although the festival was scheduled for mid-November, the unexpected heavy rains in Chennai postponed the event to December with the same glory as planned earlier. Veteran film editor and National Film Award winner B. Lenin presided over the inaugural ceremony as the chief guest, and Father Amit Raj Rokim, SDB, writer, editor and publisher, as the guest of honor. The Salesian province of St. Francis Xavier, Mumbai, celebrated the Salesian Family Day on December 12, 2021 at Don Bosco House, Borivali in Mumbai, India. 150 Salesian family members participated from across the Mumbai province. Father Diego Nunes, SDB delegate for the Salesian family, Mumbai province, and convener of the program, read the message of Father Savio Silveira, SDB, Salesian provincial of Mumbai province, to the Salesian family members sent from Rome. As the Salesian family, solidarity should be our hallmark. We support one another as a family, and as a family, we care for young people, especially those who are poor, neglected, or in need. May the Salesian Family Day truly strengthen our sense of solidarity. For the first time, the secondary students of the Salesian School of Merida have travelled the 22 kilometers that connect the Ermita de Perales of the neighbouring town of the Arroyo de San Secafunk with the capital of Extremadura. Specifically, it is the same part that the martyr Santa Eulalia, patron saint of the city, travelled with only 13 years on the occasion of the persecutions by the Emperor Diocletian. All of them have left in the early morning of December 9th and have made the entire journey with the rest of the devotees of the martyr, according to the Emeritanis Educational Center in a press release. Upon arrival at the Basilica of Santa Eulalia, students and teachers were received by the president of the Association of Devotees of the Martyr, who thanked them for their accompaniment. The day ended by praying a prayer together. In addition, the students of 5th and 6th grade of primary education have visited the crypt of the Basilica dedicated to the patron saint of the city. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.